Hi, I'm Eddie the Bartender with liquorexam.com and bartender-themed, here to demonstrate how to make a gimlet. Gimlet's made with gin. You can do it up or in a glass. Do it in a glass over ice. Add some ice to your shaker. It's an ounce and a quarter of gin and 3/4 ounce of lime juice. There we go. Shake it up until it's nice and cold. Apparently this became popular in the 19th century with European soldiers. The lime juice would help to prevent scurvy. I guess I'm not sure if that's true or not. Shake it. It's nice and cold. It's going over ice, but this way it won't melt the ice when you pour it in the glass. Pour it in. It's got a good froth. You can see the ice crystals. And you get a lime. You can do a lime twist or a lime wedge. We'll do a lime wedge. We'll squeeze it and pop it in. A couple straws. And that's it, a Gin Gimlet. Again, I'm Eddie the Bartender with liquorexam.com and bartender-themed. If you're interested in bartender apparel like this t-shirt, head over to bartender-themed. We carry a full line of hoodies, sweatshirts, t-shirts, tank tops, and accessories. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.